Magandang araw! Ang reading natin for today is for Scorpio. October 2025 reading for Scorpio. Card, kindly give us a short guide for Scorpio. Ito na po yung tatlong card na lumabas after nating i-shuffle. Your first card is the Queen of Cups. Your second card is the Chariot. And your third card is the Tower. Scorpio, this month will be a month of emotional fulfillment para sa'yo. Nakikita ko na karamihan is most sa love. And then, meron ding for personal healing. Since lumabas si Queen of Cups, na-encourage ka niya na prioritize mo yung self-love. And your second card is the Chariot. Si the Chariot kasi symbolizes determination and willpower. If you are working out on your personal healing, magiging matagumpay ka, Scorpio. Kasi nga, determinado kang tao. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang siya. Work on yourself and, yun nga, express self-love. The Tower. At may hindi inaasahang chaos na dumating sa buhay mo. I think you're having conflict sa love. Iniisip mo kung tama o worth it pa ba yung mga ginagawa mo para sa relasyon na to. Sobrang naguguluhan ka, hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo. Pero dahil lumabas si Queen of Cups kanina, this is the month of your emotional fulfillment. And with the combination of the Chariot, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo towards self-healing, ma-achieve mo siya kasi isa kang determinadong tao. So, sa tingin ko, hindi ka dapat mag-alala, huwag kang mag-overthink. Lahat yan malalagpasan mo. Ang advice ko sa'yo, Scorpio, let it happen. Sometimes chaos can be a blessing. In the end, let it pass. Everything will be okay. And that's your reading for October, Scorpio.